an on-off valve. Do it yourself. Should be good. Smells like $10. Hey guys, it's Michael. Michael from the Pacific Northwest. If you guys don't know, I live in Seattle, Washington. Let's talk about the stuff I'm going to bring with me on my through hike of the PCT 2020. I got my trusty little weight scale, and let's start off the pot. This is going to be, I think everybody's familiar with this right here. Tox Titanium, 750 milliliters. Weighs in at 3.49. The Soto Amicus with a piezometer, weighs in at 2.75. A big mini lighter. I heard that this will last through the whole PCT. I'm not too sure, but that one weighs at 0.38. People is bringing knives to PCT. This is from Z-Packs. This is basically a knife slash razor blade, utility knife for cutting cheese and meats. And I have a second pair just in case I need to bring another one here. This one weighs in at 0.24 ounces. The rag, this is from a GSI. It's got a scrubber on one side, semi microfiber on the other side. This weighs in at 0.63 ounce. To put everything in here, it's gonna be my light AF. I need my bag. And to put my Soto Amicus stove is gonna be in another Dyneema light AF bag. This is basically a rucksack reaching for the bear bag that I'm going to show you here in a minute here. Decided to go with the titanium spoon, not a spork. I put this on here, just I don't know why I put it in here, just basically for that, so I don't drop the spoon. This one here weighs in at 0.45 ounces. And speaking of the long titanium spoon, I do have a cozy. I was too lazy to make one, even though I do have the reflective stuff. From Big Sky. This weighs in at, let's see, we'll get this here on here. 1.23. I do have the light AF bear bag. The reason why I chose this because it has a flat bottom, basically it just stands up. I did get the green version. Weighs in at 1.26. It did come with a rucksack slash bear mine slash PCT stick and a carabiner. I don't think anybody used this on the PCT. Now for the AT, I would bring this, but this is going to be minus on my lighter pack. Inside my light AF bag, instead of putting those low sack, we call it Ziploc, I'm just going by the forums and what everybody's been saying in the last 2 years is the zip or the little thing on top where it basically cinches. After a while, it just rips and becomes basically useless. This right here is a base camp, what do you call it? Waterproof barrier. I used this on my Wonderland Trail shakedown hike. I'm assuming it worked perfectly fine. So this is how big it is. This holds about, if I put everything in a Ziploc bag, it holds, I think about 5 days of, maybe 5 days of food. This has a little clasp to basically cinch it. And it goes like that. This thing here is no longer on Amazon. I was trying to find a replacement just in case I need more while I'm on a trail for my resupply box. For water, I'm going with what everybody's been using. This CNOC, this is a 2 liter. This is a 2019 version. Comes with attached things so you don't lose it. This one here weighs in at 2.68 ounces. Oh, if you guys are wondering about the bag here, let me get this one here, the clip. This weighs in at 0.59 ounce. For the Sierras, I ordered this on a whim. I was thinking doing cold soaking just to lighten my weight and put as much as I can in bear cancer. This is a CNOC cold soaking bag, instead of having that Talente jar. But I haven't tested it out, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to bring this or not. I got 2 luxury items I'm not too sure if I'm going to bring. This is a Yeti large lid. The reason being I got this is this will fit the Toast Titanium 750 milliliter, and you can drink it from a cup, just like that. Close, on, off. So if I do bring this, may not be drink as much, probably sit at home. This is a foldable, weighs in at, what weighs at a 1.37 ounce. The Yeti, but the way that, sorry about that, weighs it at 2.89. This one here, if I were to bring this will be on my outside mesh compartment of my bag. This has measuring in the inside. I can use this for like my ramen to eat, or switch it in this side, drink it as a cup. Not too sure if I'm gonna bring that or not, but it's pretty light. And I wish, to be honest with you, when I did my Wonderland trail hike, I wish I had this with me. So that's one thing to consider. So on the last video, I showed you guys using my Hydro Blue. I think I suggested one of my subscribers, I may switch. I actually did. I switched to a cellular squeeze, and I did replace. This is the original cap. I have several of the Smart Water bottle cap. I have these 2. Let me put this on this one here. I have like 3 more just ready to go, just in case. To replace this one, because people said they lose this. I'm not too sure why. Also, the O-ring that's in here, I did buy this, mostly for the desert. I got 2 of these to put in here. I'm gonna buy a couple more of these in my emergency kit, just in case. And I'm probably gonna carry about 3 of these, or 2 of these in one of the smaller bottles. And as for my drinking, this is an outdoor source water bottle adapter. Goes in here, spray this in, goes into the side pockets. This goes over the back of your pack, and this will drape over on my shoulder. I don't like this part right here, so that's the reason why I have an on-off valve from Camelback. And then of course doesn't come with a bike valve, so I was gonna put that on there. And I think that was it. So if you guys have any questions on anything here, I'm gonna put everything on the description below. And on the next video, I'm probably gonna do my clothes or electronics. So, like I said, if you guys have any questions, feedback is greatly appreciated. But like I said, I've been doing this research for less than 2 years, and it's been a daunting task trying to get everything down. And as you hike on the trail, you're gonna realize that you're not gonna bring all this stuff with you. So, yep. See you guys later.